Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open. Now you need to select those three lines at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. Over here click I accept in the pop-up, and now you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply and wait. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!